Welcome to Golf Tech North Bethesda. I'm Kevin Tanner, one of the PGA professionals here at the North Bethesda location. We'd like to invite all of the EWGA members of the DC metro area to come out for an instructional series that we're going to be running starting on February 16th. It's going to run for 3 consecutive weeks from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. with a cocktail hour afterwards. The topics we're going to cover during these weeks will be how to get more out of your driver, why I can't chip it close, and how to really lower your score. In the first week of our clinic series, we're going to be talking about how to get more out of your driver. So not only are we going to test and measure your equipment to make sure that it's working properly for you, but we're also going to have you hit some shots wearing our motion sensors to measure whether or not your body is working correctly to produce the power that you need to hit it as far as you can. The other thing we're going to do is test you on our launch monitor to see how far you actually hit. One of the major aspects we're going to be talking about with your short game is how to play on uneven lies. So with this wedge here, we're able to simulate uphill and downhill lies. So I'll just give you a quick example of some of the things that we're going to cover. So with an uphill lie, you're going to need, the club's going to launch the ball higher in the air, so you may need to take a bigger swing. And the ball will launch really high. One of the most difficult lies that you're going to experience on the golf course is a downhill lie. A lot of times you'll have a downhill lie with a pin that's relatively close to you. Well, we're going to talk about all the dynamics of a downhill lie, how it affects the golf club, and what you need to change in order to hit the shot closest to the hole. During the final week of our instructional series, we're going to talk about how to really lower your score, and that's with putting. We're going to discuss distance control, direction control, aiming, and tackling the short putt. So one of the things we're going to talk about with aiming is using a line like we have here. This is going to illustrate where your eyes should be set over top of the ball, as well as how the club's path should swing and where the ball should start rolling. Thank you for watching this brief overview on some of the topics we're going to cover during our instructional series. This will cost $20 for EWGA members and $25 for non-members. If you come to all 3 clinics, your name will be entered in a raffle to win some free golf lessons. All clinics will be held at the Golf Tech North Bethesda location. The address and phone number will follow.